What I read from the Surah Al-An'am, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying to Prophet Muhammad, say, kul, say, proclaim, inna salati wa nusuki wa mahyaya wa mamati lillahi rabbil alameen. That surely, Allah said to Prophet Muhammad, say, surely my prayers and my sacrifices and my living and my dying are only for Allah. No partner for Him. So I live and die for Allah. I do everything for Allah. Then I have a 100% freedom. I don't live and die other than Allah. I do everything for Allah. I help people for Allah. I feed people for Allah. I pray for Allah and I sacrifice for Allah. And I live for Allah and I die for Allah. That's the true freedom. So-called freedom today in Philippines, which is tomorrow, June 12, the background of that Philippines which called Maharlika before the Spanish arrived here, and that meaning is the land of the free people. But when the Spanish came here, the first army came with the command of Ferdinand Magellan more than 400 years ago, and he attacked in the Bisaya region in Mactan, and he was resisted by a Muslim Datu Kalipula, which is very well known as Lapu-Lapu. He was a Muslim Datu, a chieftain, and his name was Caliph. Caliph means his chief, Kalipula. And he fought against the Spanish, and he let them run away. And he killed Magellan. And he is the first ever hero in this country, and he was a Muslim. And then after 42 years, the Spanish never came back until the time that the Lapu-Lapu was died. And then another general came, General Legazpi, and he conquered some part of Bisaya region. And then he asked for the king. And the king that time was King Philip, and he sent the decree that the land you conquered in my name will be called Las Islas Filipinas, the island ruled by King Philip. And they are carry on this name to Philippines, and now they call themselves Filipinos and Filipinas, which is shame on people who call themselves the King Philip slaves. Like Filipino, I said in the earlier khutbah, Filipino is a combination of two words, Philip and Alipino. Alipino means slave. A male slave, and a Filipina, a female slave. That's why I recommend people, change your name. I talked to President Duterte, change him, he agreed. I talked to Senate President, I read a letter for Duterte, he said, yes, I will bring to him. We will change the name to Maharlika. And Maharlika is Muslim origin, because this country has a Muslim origin. The people living here are the Malays, and the Malay is the same people in Malaysia, Indonesia. But they were colonized by the Spanish, and they were changed their religion by the Spanish, and their culture was changed because of the Spanish. That's why we can see the remnants here. The people are Catholics and they follow the Spanish culture, and then later they were conquered by Japanese and Americans. And if they want to be freedom, they become slave of Allah, and that's only freedom we can achieve. There is no other freedom. Either you become slave of a people or the idols or the nations or a country or even yourself, or become the slave of money. And all of them have a contradicting to your freedom. If you want the true freedom, become the slave of your Creator who gives you the life and who gives you everything. Allah is the one who gives us life. He gives us families. He gives us food, and everything is given by Allah. So we should, and He should have a right to be our master. And we should be only slave of our master, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So that was the khutbah for today, and tomorrow night after